How to enable or disable upgrade web links to open in instant apps instead of in a browser on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on apps. Now in here, tap on choose default apps. Then scroll down and tap on opening links. In here, tap on instant apps. And then tap on upgrade web links. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on. Tap on it to switch it off. Then if you turn off, tap on the turn off button. And that's it. So if you turn here, then it says that web links may be open in instant apps instead of in browser when available. And so here, note, even when this settings is turned off, you can always continue to try instant apps by clicking on links that are Google Play branded. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.